Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to find posts that you have liked on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the top right corner of your Facebook page or profile, you'll see your profile picture icon with 3 horizontal lines on it. Tap on it. Once you come to this menu page, scroll down below and tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of Settings. Once you come to Settings and Privacy page, scroll down below and you'll see the section of Your Activity. Simply tap on the option of Activity Log on top. Once you come over here, you can see tags in blue. Swipe all the way to the left and you'll find the section of likes and reactions. Tap on it. Now over here, you'll find the posts that you have liked. You can simply tap on it and you can view the post as well. So that's how you will be able to find the posts that you have liked on Facebook. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.